an organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the third peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture.